Well, in today's video, we are going to be trying to fix our CP diesel locomotive. Dad, how do you do this?
I don't know how to zoom in on it. There we go. So the first thing is we have to open these little, see these little black tabs?
Yeah.
Those are what I'm opening right now. You want to explain that?
So, right now, my dad's just opening the small black tabs that are in the middle of the chassis that we need to unhatch to take the shell off.
There we go.
And just like that, the shell is off, and it's a pretty cool looking shell actually. And just zoom in to try and get a better view of it. Now this one's an old 10 Shoto, and now this one may be an old 10 Shoto, I don't quite know, but it's just a really beautiful move. Now, right now we're just trying to look for the problem inside. Dad, maybe something unhooks that, and then the problem's inside there.
That broke off.
And right away, we know why we are not getting away. The wire seems to partially broken to make our light turn on. So unfortunately, if we do fix it at the moment, we won't be able to run it.
So, oh, look at this.
Oh, we found the problem. Broken wire.
Yep.
Mama found the problem. It's a broken wire. That's why CP isn't running. And we are back with some materials. So our goal now is to see if we can run the train without track. We will run it without track and then with track, so that hopefully we get ourselves a runner.
Where'd the clippers?
Clippers? Here. We're going to use some special rail clippers that we bought and a special John Deere controller. It's just an overlook of the setup. I'll show you the shell now, which is quite beautiful shell actually. And now let's just see. So there you see the loose wire. Now we'll need to see if we can make the wheels turn, because
So if you bring it over, okay. So here's the two soldering points. One is for one, and ideally, one is for the other.
and then here we go. The test will run. It's going to fall.
Put it to 3/4. Set it to 80.
Oh, and we seem to have a problem with the motor.
No?
Oh, see? It's going. You can see a light there. And just like that, we got ourselves a runner.
No, that squeaking means the gears are dirty.
So the squeaking means that the gears are dirty. So we'll probably have to do the wood, but right now it kind of smells in between toast and burning tires, so we're gonna have to be a little careful. Probably all the grime coming off of the gears would be my guess.
So the power gets picked up by this wheel here.
The power gets picked
And
up
this
by
wheel?
the front wheel, and then this wheel fell back.
And this wire here connects the power from here to the motor, and that's when that's detached. So what I need you to do, bud, is I need you, Miles, I need your hands. I need you to hold this wire on this wheel right over here.
Well, folks,
Mom,
it's all ready.
Mom, see, we've got a
And
squeaky
now,
runner.
Oh, I see what you mean,
so there we go.
So we've got a runner.
Okay, do you want to stop the video?